Namaste student. Today I will discuss about legal method of pest control. Then define the legal method. In early days there were no restriction on the transport of plants and animals from the country to another, since the danger involved in it is not realized, which results in introduction of pests from one country to another country. In many countries, may of the dangerous pests have frequently been found to be foreign pests, and they inflict greater damage than the indigenous ones. Then example, potato tuber moth, cotton cuisine scale, Aeschyria purchase, woody apis or apple, St. John scale, golden cyst nematode, giant African snail, then spartine leaf miner, and coconut mite. Some exotic pests introduced into the our country. Then first is quarantine. What is quarantine? The word quarantine is divided from Latin word quarantum, means uh, 40. Plant quarantine is defined as the legal enforcement of the measures aimed to prevent pests from spreading, or to prevent them to multiply further in case they have already gained entry and have established in a new restricted areas. The importance of imposing a restriction on the movement of pests uh, infested plants or plant material from one country to another country was realized when the grapevine Phylogera got introduced into France from America by about 1816, and St. Zoological spread into USA in the later part of 18th century and caused several damage. The first Quarantine Act USA come into operation in 1905, while Government of India passed an act in 1940. The entire Destruction Pest Act of 1940, to prevent the introduction of any insect, fungus, or other pest into your country. This was later supplemented by the more comprehensive act in 1970. The legislative measures in force now in different countries can be grouped into 5 classes. Then first is legislation to prevent the introduction of new pests and weeds acts from foreign countries. Then in international quarantine. Then second is legislation to prevent the spread of already established pest, disease, and weeds from one part to country to another part of country. Then domestic quarantine. Then legislation of enforce upon the farmers regarding the application of effective control measures to prevent damage by already established pest. Then legislation of prevent the adulteration and misbranding of insecticides and determine their permission residue tolerant level in food stuffs. Then fifth, legislation to regulate the activities of men engaged in pest control operation and application of hazardous insecticide. Then first is legislation to prevent the introduction of foreign pest. To prevent the entry of foreign pests, all countries have restriction. They enforce quarantine law. This is international quarantine. The imported plant material has to be thoroughly examined at the port of entry. The Directorate of Plant Protection, Quarantine and Storage was established in Faridabad in 1946. And this is DPPQS. Prior to which custom authorized the enforcement of quarantine law. From 1949, DPPQS deal with the commercial import of consignment of grains, plants, and plant product to consumption through its network of 35 plant quarantine station spread across the country, including seaport, airport, and land. तो ये कौन सी जगह इसके सेंटर है? सी पोर्ट पे है, एयरपोर्ट पे एंड लैंड या फ्रंट नाइट पे. These operate under the provision made under the Destructive Insects which Pest Act 1940 for the Government of India has approved NBPGR. NBPGR New Delhi for quarantine processing of all germ plants, including transgenic plants material under exchange to research purpose. Forest Institute FRI, Dehradun for forest plant and Botanical Survey of India BSI Kolkata for ornamental plant to enforce quarantine law. The important importation of plant material from foreign countries has to be done only through any of these ports. The consignment should also be accompanied with the certified issue by the officers of agriculture department of the exporting country so as confirm that the consignment are pest free. The certificate is called as a phytosanitary certificate. जो इनको शिपोर्ट पे इनको ये सर्टिफिकेट दिया जाता है, जो भी एग्रीकल्चर की जो भी जितनी भी सामान आते हैं उनको कौन सा सर्टिफिकेट दिया जाता है, फाइटोसैनिटरी सर्टिफिकेट. Then important of plants by post is not permitted except by expert the scientific purpose import of potatoes from areas known as infected with the fart disease and golden cyst nematode is totally prohibited in your country. Then second is legislation to prevent the spread of already established pest. जो the Destruction of Insect and Pest Act 1940 have empowered the states to enact such law as the necessary to prevent the spread of dangerous insect within the jurisdiction. The Madras government, in case the Madras Agriculture Pest and Disease Act in 1990, was first state to enact such law in your country. This act was passed to prevent the spread of pests or diseases or weeds from one part of the state to another. The Kotnik Fusion Scale was located in Nilgiri and Kolika Canal. None of the alternate host plants were permitted to get transport from these areas. Quarantine stations were opened at Mathu, Palayam and Gudalur of Nilgiri and Senbaguru station of Kodaikanal in 1943 and were closed subsequently. Then third is legislation of enforce the application of effective control measures to prevent the damage of established pest. Then under the state pest, the farmers was asked to remove and destroy coconut leaflets infested by black-headed caterpillar. And around Mangalore in 1923 and 1927 is Krishna and Guntur district. Later it was visited as the pest was successfully controlled by biological agent. Then fourth is legislation to prevent the adulteration and misbranding of the insecticide to avoid malpractices and supply of substituted chemicals. The pesticide products are the standardized through the Indian Standards Institute. Such products carry ISI mark and the expected to confirm the level of active ingredient. The Insecticide Act 1968 has been imposed on 2nd September 1968 by the Government of India to regulate the imported, manufacture, sale, transport and distribution and use of insecticide. The Government of India also constitute the Central Insecticide Board CIB to advise the state and central government as per this act. The insecticide rules of 1971 framed under the Insecticide Act 1968 had come in the force in 1971. Then fifth and last point is legislation to regulate the activities of men engaged in pest control operation. They have to taken certain precautionary measures to avoid pesticide poisoning and undergo regular medical checkup. Then invasive allied species, it is a species outside of its native range was introduction and to spread threatened biodiversity. Then this is a very important legal control of pest management. Thank you.